Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hanisa binti Omar and I'm from class 1104C.
Hi, my name is Nur Azam binti Zulkifli.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anishaira binti Muhammad Kamil from Faculty Information Management, Group IM1104C.
Nawal is a new student at the University Technology Mara UiTM and she is required to have a computer that can help her in her assignment and to serve her other needs. Since she is a university student, she will need to complete many assignments and need to use various types of software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. Besides that, she will also need to use programming software such as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro and Adobe Director. But Nawal also like to play game and to love to watch movie. To ensure that Nawal can do her work without problem, she can refer to these few guides when choosing her computer specification. First, Nawal need to plan how much maximum budget that she need before she search for those computer specification. Then, within the budget, she can try to look for the best and the latest operating system and processor that compatible with each other. Nawal also need to know about the basic information computer specification and software so that she will not miss out anything out. The first thing that we would like to suggest to Nawal is motherboard. Motherboard serves as the central circuit hub that will connect all the peripheral and the component of the computer. It will also synchronize the power that received from the graphic card, hard drive, CPU, and system memory from the power supply. Motherboard is a key piece of computer hardware that can be viewed as the backbone of the entire computer system. So, to ensure that Nawal computers will work well, we would like to suggest Nawal to use MSI X470 Gaming Plus because it is well known as one of the top budget motherboard for gaming. The product name is MSI X470 Gaming Plus and the price is RM565. The processor support first, second and third generation AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphic or second generation AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphic and Athlon with Radeon Vega graphic desktop processor for socket AM4. The memory is 4x DDR4 memory slot that also support up to 128GB. It is also dual channel memory architecture that support non-EEC UDIMM memory and support EEC UDIMM memory. The socket is AM4 and the CPU is Ryzen 9. Meanwhile, the chipset is AMD X470 chipset. The memory channel has 2 and the DIMM slot is 4 and the maximum memory is 128GB. The second thing that we would like to suggest to Nawal is computer case. Computer case is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a personal computer PC. Computer case function as a protection to the computer's component from harm and damage such as dust and spill. It also makes the process of transferring the computer from place to place easier. So, we would like to suggest to Nawal to use Phanteks Eclipse P300 because it is one of the best computer case that we can suggest. This computer case comes with 4 colors which are black, white, black and white, and the special edition red. The form factor of this computer case is mid-tower and the PCI has 7 slots. The material that they use is steel chassis, steel exterior, ABS, and glass. The motherboard that they support is ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX. It also supports eATX, but it's up to 275mm wide. The front OI is 2x USB 3.0, microphone, headphone, reset, and LED control. It also has a side window, and when you buy this, you will get a warranty about 5 years. The price of this computer case is RM259, which are very affordable to Nawal. The third thing that we would suggest to Nawal is a processor. The processor that we choose is AMD Ryzen 3 2200G with Radeon Vega 8 graphic. Processor is a small chip that resides in computer and electronic devices. Its basic job is to receive input and provide the appropriate output. The name of this processor is AMD Ryzen 3 2200G with Radeon Vega 8 graphic. The CPU cores in this processor is 4 cores and 4 threads. The GPU cores are 8 Radeon Vega cores, and the DRAM support up to DDR4 2933 dual channel. The PCI Express version is PCIe 3.0, and the price of this processor is 405 ringgit.
Next is system memory. System memory is the place where the computer holds the current programs and data that are being used. There are many types of system memory, including ROM and RAM. Okay, and the specification of system memory is AMD Ryzen TM 52600X. It is using CPU core 6, threads 12, base clock 3.6 GHz, max boost clock up to 4.5 GHz. It is three types of charge, which is L1 562 KB, L2 3 MB, L3 16 MB, and the CMOS is 12 nm FinFET. And next is graphic card. Graphic card is a piece of computer hardware that produces the image that you see on the computer. So the specification is the product name, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, and the GPU architecture is Pascal, memory speed up to 7 GB, frame buffer up to 4 GB, memory interface 128 bits, memory bandwidth 112 GB, and the digital resolution is 60Hz2, and display connectors is using DP 1.43, HDMI 2.0B, and dual link DVI, and the system power is 300 watt. Next is hard disk. Hard disk is a unit that been called disk drive, hard drive, and hard disk drive. It is stored and provide quick access to large amounts of data. And the specification, the product name is SEAGATE 1TB Backup Plus Slim Portable Hard Drive USB 3.0, and it is come with 4 colors, which is black, silver, light blue, and red. The texture is polished aluminium, and the compatibility is USB 3.0 or 2.0. The capacity is up to 2 TB.
Next, now we may need LENOVO DVD-ROM drive. It is intended for high-resolution computer audio and server application only, and will not play on standard DVD or CD players. The price of LENOVO DVD-ROM drive is 173 ringgit. One of input devices that now will need is Microsoft LiveCam HD 3000. This Microsoft LiveCam HD 3000 True HD camera gives you bright and colorful video. It makes it easy to post to your favorite social sites. Your video and picture are worth 1000 tags. Specification of Microsoft LiveCam HD 3000. Firstly, connectivity technology, wired, Microsoft certifications, compatible with Windows 7, computer interface, USB 2.0. The price of Microsoft LiveCam HD 3000 is 105 ringgit. Next, Logitech K780 multi-device wireless keyboard. The K780 multi-device is a fully equipped, beautifully finished computer keyboard with numbers pad, which also works perfectly with smartphones and tablets. Specification of Logitech K780 multi-device wireless keyboard is keyboard layout English and keyboard height adjustable height with two different positions. Price is 235 ringgit. And that now I need Lenovo N100 wireless mouse, a simple and reliable mouse with plug and play wireless. It feels good in either hand and offers more comfort with the contour design. It works with Windows-based and Mac computers. Lenovo N100 wireless mouse has two primary buttons, clickable scroll wheel. Lenovo N100 wireless mouse has two primary buttons, clickable scroll wheel. The price is 60 ringgit. Output devices that Nawal need is A5 Plus wireless speaker system. The A5 Plus premium powered speakers are a complete home music system with bold stereo sounds that fills any room. Connect in seconds and stream your music from any app or device, high definition Bluetooth. Color option of A5 Plus wireless speaker system are red, pink, blue, white and black. The price is 79 ringgit.
Okay, next is pricing consideration. The price for Asus ROG SRI Z390i Gaming is 565 ringgit. For Phanteks Eclipse is 259 ringgit. For Intel Core i5 8600K is 405 ringgit. For AMD Ryzen is 725 ringgit. For NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050Xi is 493 ringgit 50 cent. And for the SEAGATE 1TB backup plus slim portable drive USB 3.0 is 299. Lenovo DVD-ROM drive is 173 ringgit. For Microsoft Livecam HD 3000 is 105 ringgit. Next is for Logitech K718 multi-device wireless keyboard is 235 ringgit. For Lenovo N100 wireless mouse is 60 ringgit. And lastly is A5 wireless speaker system is 79 ringgit. And the total price is 3,398 ringgit.
So, I hope it can help Nawal to make best choice to buy new computer.